Today we will discuss about ETL testing interview questions. Part of this, we are going to discuss about part 1 today. So let me start with the slideshow here. So the first question which they are going to ask, tell me about yourself. So what are all the things which you need to include that we are going to discuss about part of today's session. So tell me about yourself. So these are the this is the interview question which they are going to ask very frequently, most of the interviewers. So let's have a look into this content. Who you are, where are you from, what is your highest qualification, which year passed out, from which university, and from which background or which course, when you started your professional career, what is your overall experience, what is your current project, role, role and responsibility in your current project. Then current project architecture with brief introduction, then a methodology which you followed, that is waterfall and agile. So this is enough information which you need to provide when they asked tell me about yourself. Let's take a close look into this content. Who you are. Just give your name and where are you from which place and from which part of India. Then what is your highest qualification, year of passed out, and from which university and from which background. Just if you are from graduation or post graduation, you can mention that if it is BTech, BE, MCA, MTech, MBA, whatever it is, and passed out of that particular highest qualification, and from which university. Then from which background, computer science, or if you are from BTech, so CSE, IT, CSE. So these are the things which you need to mention as part of this third point. When it comes to fourth one, when you started your professional career. So here you need to mention when you are started, like month, year, and with which company. Then you can mention all your professional experience details. Like if you work for more than one organization, you have to mention so and so month to so and so year. So these are the things which you need to include in your professional career. Then what is your overall experience? So you have to give your overall IT and non-IT experience. Then just assume you are working in a testing stream now. So earlier you were working in a development, then admin, then move to testing. So you have to mention all experiences with respect to admin, dev, then testing. So how much experience do you have in as admin, and how much experience you are having as a dev, and how much experience you are having as a testing. So next one is what is your current project, and you have to give your project title and what is the client for that, and here you need to give a brief introduction about your client, who they are, and what business they are doing, and how you are helping them to build data warehouse, and how you are doing your or how you are performing your QA activities. Then a role and responsibilities in your current project, that is the main important thing which you need to mention. So as a ETL tester, you have to mention as you are playing ETL test role. When it comes to responsibilities, so you have to mention all the things here. Part of requirement analysis, and then gathering requirements, requirement analysis, then we'll come up with the test scenarios, test case design, that is the test case writing along with SQL framing, then test execution, test results documentation, then a QA sign off process. Okay. Next one, a current project architecture with brief introduction. So as I said earlier, if you know the client, okay, then you have to give a brief introduction of data flow from a source to target as part of ETL testing, or while building data warehousing. From source, if you are getting data from multiple sources or heterogeneous sources, so where you are doing data format standardization, is it a staging or any data lake, and then from there to base layer, that is the data warehouse where you are going to maintain data in a dimensional modeling. From there to a materialized views, and that is the source for BA system, a part of analytics, reporting, and mining, which comes under business intelligence. Next one is the method which you have followed, waterfall or agile, and what are all the ceremonies are. So meetings that you are attending on daily basis, like if it comes to agile, so we'll be having sprint planning meeting, then we'll be having sprint grooming session, we'll be having a daily stand-up meeting, we'll be having defect or bug triage meeting, we'll be having sprint retrospective meetings like that. So these are the things which you need to include in a tell me about yourself question. So if you include these many things in yourself itself, about yourself, so interviewer may get a good impression on your profile. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel LKVTech for ETL testing related videos, and going forward we are going to upload database, then C, C++, even Python as well. Thank you.